You just spooked the bass right, like, on the bay, right there. What? Someone spooked the bass right there on the bay.
I wonder who did that.
I don't know.
Who spooked the bass? You're fishing with pretzels and... We found the pattern. They're eating moving baits pretty well.
Cast like up one.
That's the problem with Dutch. He's catching 2 up. There we go.
So,
That might be a better one.
yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Probably my best one of the day.
Dang! That's long too.
Yeah, this one's longer than it is fat.
But still, really good fish.
Solid bass. What is this? This might be 5 for me. 5 bass and a pike.
I think you said 5-pounder.
Oh yeah, this is a 5. Yeah. I might be pushing 7.5. They're eating this chatterbait good today.
They are. I just felt a tap and I put the fucking in his mouth.
Could have pecked it.
Oh, there's a lead tap.
Oh. That was a fish tap.
Oh my god, big fish is more, I'm starting to think it's because of your trailer.
You want one?
No.
I have another one.
Yeah. Can't throw a spinning bait though.
Bro, yes you can. I don't care. Go for it. I want you to catch more fish. I don't want you to be left out. Because I have, what, 6 now?
Yeah, 6-1.
Yo, buddy.
No, I'm catching fish over here, bro. I swear.
Dude, chill. There we go. There he is.
I might be fishing too fast, bro.
I'd be like pausing it and like jerking it and stuff.
Huh?
Where is that? In the tree?
Gone where it is, bro.
Did it cast off?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So unfortunate. Do you want me to take front?
Yeah, you have to. I gotta reline my whole.
You have to reline it? Oh.
Good day yesterday. This guy in the tournament, bro. I'd go.
Quick release. What's that, 7? Get this guy in the tournament.
I'm gonna throw something different in that chat today because it wasn't really good. You want to get that swim? I'm gonna try and find a different move.
Oh. Gnarly backlash.
Sounds really good. It looks kind of trash. Let's throw it up on there.
This is where the only smallmouth in this lake live.
Probably, bro.
I don't know, since you were tying up you couldn't see it, but over in there it was mucky, but there's so many rocks and cinder blocks. I have a fish. Oh, he's fighting weird. Oh, it's a nice one.
You need to like put the brakes on.
That's the second biggest one of the day-ish. 1 pounder. Just been practicing in the off season, buddy. That guy fought so weird. I felt like I got bit and I set the hook and it felt like he came off, but he's just swimming at me. I literally cast it on that fish's head. Cast up in those reeds. I literally cast on his head as soon as I started reeling, he was on. Bro, it's non-stop. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Look at him fighting. Oh, he's coming back by you. Oh. My biggest one today. You can take the front, Braden.
Oh my god.
That's probably a 1 3/4, 2 pounder.
Dang.
That's a toad, buddy. They all have these spots on their lips, like there's spots, but they're not. Look at the side of him. He's got like a sore on his side.
Bro.
See that?
Big.
Nice.
Is that the biggest one I've made?
It might be. I think the one that you had on your spinnerbait was the biggest. Ours is about that size. You want to turn it sideways? Or are you trying to hog it since you haven't got a fish in a bit? I think when you get a bite on that spinnerbait, I think it's going to be large. Hey guys. Right, I'm going to take the front. It's a big one. It's a big one. That's 3 casts in a row.
I'm calling them 30 casts.
It's like the same fish. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you with it. Okay, buddy. Okay, dude. Get it, dude. Another one. Oh my gosh. It worked. It worked. Nice one, Colin. Smallest fish. Come here. I got him. It's like ice cream scoop to me. Juice looks pretty good. Dink! Sorry. That guy's a fat one. I think I'm almost a 10. Let me know if you want the front back again. I don't want to be like hogging it or nothing. Okay.
What are you doing? Are you just like locked in?
To catch them?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm just fishing.
Wait, do you have a fish finder? I wish. Hell. If I had a fish finder, I'd catch on.
Well, bro, we could really troll. You want to troll up in there? I might have been in a fish's mouth. Oh, I have a fish on. I thought I was in weeds, bro. Okay. Go get up here. Doubled up. Calling out a dinker. Got me unhook him. Do you want to hold them or you just want me to toss them? Damn, bro, you hooked him good. Do you just want to go back to the boat ramp from here? Like, you want to fish your way back or just go straight there? What the hell? Am I just in like a monster thing of weeds? I think so. Oh, that came off. Yeah, I was just in a boatload of weeds. There we go. Oh, it feels like a decent one. Oh, I can't tell because I'm in lily pads though. Not bad. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one actually. Oh, dude. Hey, buddy. Thank you. I don't think I've got on a bite this good in my life. That's like number 12. No, I have a fish on. He was running towards me this whole time and I didn't even know I had one. Oh, I reeled him way too far up. Okay. It's like 13 or something.